Search engine marketing. SEM is a method that companies can get higher placement on search engines by bidding on search terms. Search engine marketing, a form of advertising that allows you to bid for your advertisement to show along with search results for keywords that people are typing in. This lets businesses be seen by people at the very moment they're searching for the things a business offers. Example, SEO is a long process, but using SEM helped me get a lot more website traffic really quickly. Using search engines to market to your target audience either through SEO or paid methods such as PPC.